Hello to all AI enthusiasts. Imagine it's 10 years from now. You wake up in the morning and your phone has already prepared a summary of your tasks. AI has answered your emails for you, and you even have a digital assistant that helps you like a professional consultant. Now, here's a question. In this new world, what will people be doing? What jobs might emerge that we can't even imagine today? Let's explore the future together and see how we can prepare for these new careers. AI is getting more advanced every day, taking over a lot of repetitive tasks, and even some complex ones. But it's not always about replacing people. In fact, AI is creating brand new job opportunities that never existed before, just like how the internet brought jobs like web development and content creation. Now, let's see what kinds of jobs might pop up in the future. 1. AI trainer. What do? They teach AI how to behave. For example, if a smart chatbot needs training, an AI trainer helps it respond more naturally. Required skills: programming knowledge, Python, machine learning, communication skills, data analysis. 2. AI ethics specialist. What do? They make sure AI makes fair decisions without bias. For example, an AI-powered hiring system shouldn't be unfair. Required skills: philosophy and ethics knowledge, AI understanding, data analysis, and related laws. 3. Metaverse Architect. What do? They design and develop virtual environments where people can live, work, and have fun. Required skills: 3D design, programming Unity, Unreal Engine, AI, user experience. 4. Human Augmentation Engineer. What do? They design smart technologies like advanced prosthetics and smart chips to enhance human abilities. Required skills: biomedical engineering, AI, hardware design. 5. AI interaction designer. What do? They make AI-human interactions smoother, like optimizing voice assistants. Required skills: user experience, UX design, cognitive science, natural language processing, NLP. 6. AI psychologist. What do? They analyze AI behavior and fix errors or biases. For example, if a chatbot gets too aggressive, they find a solution. Required skills: psychology, cognitive science, AI, data analysis. 7. Virtual reality director. What do? They create cinematic experiences and interactive stories in VR, letting people live the story instead of just watching it. Required skills: filmmaking, 3D design, VR programming, AI. AI might replace many jobs, but it also creates new opportunities. The key is to prepare for these changes and learn the skills that will be in demand. Which of these future jobs would you want to work in? Drop your thoughts in the comments.